Hey guys, BuildTheWallTV.com. We just been out and came to check on a known water drop. There's cases of water here. There's beans.
Everything within 5 miles of that Scout Mountain on either side comes right through here. They'll either go up the wash or they take this trail, but they all lead to the same spot. And then once they get over this little rise up here, there's another set of trails that ties into it. So then you end up with about 10 to 15 miles of trails that there's another spot where they all squeeze together into one spot. So it's really easy to fucking do it.
So this is a kind of a funnel point.
Yep.
Okay.
It's there's always funnel points, and they usually are in spots that you know, it's so fucking takes so long to get back here, and it's so far, and that nobody ever comes back here. So they have no fear. You know, us walking up that wash, they could have heard us and long gone.
Yeah.
There, right where I go. Ugh.
So basically, for the audience that's watching, basically, we parked the cars and then got on a off to the side of the road, what looked to be a heavily traveled human trail. And anyway, it led down into this ravine. And we've been following this ravine. Look at this right here. There's black water bottle right here. See that? This is what you see a lot of, and this is what they carry over their shoulders. That way the water doesn't, or the water jugs don't reflect in the sunlight. But this, what you're looking basically east right now, well, northeast toward Tucson. And this right here is pretty heavily traveled human trail. When you get up into the trees, it's very well defined. And then you have a water drop back in here, and cans of beans gone.
So on either side, 2 fence stakes are away. They cut the fuck out of the fence. But it's like, even if it did have a sensor on it, ain't nobody out here. By the time anybody got here, you'd be long gone anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here's a trail coming down right here. That gives you an idea how heavily traveled this area is.
So, the next shift just started. Who knows where they are.
So what they're talking about there with the shift is that the Border Patrol is deployed out of Tucson. They have 2 hours worth of drive, round trip, and an 8-hour shift, and then they have a shift change at 8.
2 hour drive one way.
2 hour drive one way. So they have shift change at 8, 2, and 10. Is that right? 8, 2, and 10?
6, 2, and 10.
6, 2, and 10 is the shift change. So then those that are traveling north illegally understand that. And then around, before that 2 o'clock shift, around 1 p.m. is when this place is deserted of border officers. So 2 hours before and 2 hours after those shift changes, the place is largely, you know, unoccupied by Border Patrol. And that's about right now. So, you know, we're a little bit noisy. If we were quieter, we might be able to sneak up on some, but the way that we're walking into these places, if anybody were hiding out here, they could hear us and take off pretty quick, but we'll do better. All right, so
Look at my
I'll
deer.
catch you on the next one.